Hello everyone, this is your sensei, Joe Lau, and this is the Phyre Dojo. Alright, so in the PHYREKEEPER blog, I asked if people could recognize what the plant of the month was as a puzzle, figure out what it was. Well, it's Swamp Rose Mallow. It's in the Hibiscus family. And I asked people to, if somebody could give me the Latin name, the full Latin name of what the plant was. I guess I couldn't even figure it out myself when I was looking it up. And I came across it quite by accident. So it's no surprise if that nobody actually figured it out. But we have Swamp Rose Mallow here. And it's almost very much like a velvet leaf. The coloring is almost the same. And the outer bark of it is very much also like the velvet leaf in that it's an excellent cordage. So my son Jake here,
hello,
wants to help me out with showing you the Swamp Rose Mallow, how it works. With the things that you've seen me collect on the PHYREKEEPER, I got 9 very good handle stalks that are 2 feet long. I got some plugs, some DOJO'S spindles, but today we're going to show you a hand drill. So I have 2 dead stalks here, okay, so very much like a cooking show. I show you the fresh ones. They're processed, they're prepared, we put it in the oven, and then magically out of the oven we take the finished product. So these are already dried and dead, which I collected a few months ago. And so we're going to try one of these. Alright, so we're ready to get started. All set, Jake?
yeah.
Alright, we'll see how we go. Mosquito.
Yeah.
We got mosquitoes here, so. Alright, so.
Oh, the doors are open though.
Yeah, I know. Just watch your shoulder there. Yep. Lower just a little bit.
That's okay.
Your body. There you go. You need a little bit of space. Oh, so you can see there's nothing in the notch. This is pine, by the way. There's nothing in the notch. Everything's ready to go. This isn't even mated yet. Okay, and of course I got the bottom bark off so that there's no brushing effect to destroy the coal. Okay, ready again? So what I'm going to do is narrow the camera down a little bit so we can see what's going on down here. No, just move your shoulder one. So you can hear the squeaking. We got to get some friction. Okay, so listen to the sound change. There we go. And you don't let it move. This one's right second apart. This one is a little too old, so we're going to try the fresher one. Okay. You don't move. Okay, very good. Good job, Jake. So my other stock was really too old to use, but the one I had collected earlier was still good. So there's Swamp Rose Mallow on pine. That went very well. Good job. All right, let's keep going.